Alright guys, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. If you are new to this channel, I cover everything on the stock market, all the stocks. There's a lot of videos that I come out with that are videos about stocks that I believe are a buy. And I'll show you some stuff right here in this video, and we're doing really awesome. So if you want to follow along, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button, which is actually very important, and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified about new videos, because most likely if a new video comes out, you might not be notified.
Join me, and I will complete your training.
That's freaking awesome. Okay.
What?
You convinced me.
Now, if you've been watching me for some time, you know that many times in my videos, guys, I like to cover multiple stocks. I don't want to just focus on one. And there's a reason for that, because there's just so much things to cover, and I can only come out with limited videos. What we're going to briefly cover, sort of like an update, will be SoundHound AI, QuickLogic, Genius Group Limited, ticker symbol GNS. And after the brief update on these stocks and some important brand new information that you might want to know, I will cover for you in this video a new company that is going public on the stock market. It is a US manufacturer of ATVs, boats, and all kinds of other stuff in the recreational space. The revenue is actually surprisingly pretty good. Net income is positive, and they're available for pre-order at $4 to $5. So I don't know, this might be interesting. Alright guys, so let's look at QuickLogic real quick first. So the first time I covered QuickLogic was over on the Discord, and you can see here a screenshot of a YouTube video that I had done talking about what I did in the Discord. So anyways, so it was $12.96, guys. I then went on to do a YouTube video for QuickLogic at 18 bucks, let's say, right? So here's a screenshot of that YouTube video that I did. And yesterday, QuickLogic, guys, hit $20.75 at the peak, right? So we go from 13 bucks on the Discord talking about it, 17.60, 18 bucks talking about it on a YouTube video. It went to $20.75 yesterday. Every time I cover this stock, it just goes higher and higher and higher. And if you want to learn more about QuickLogic and the reasons why this is going up, and I believe will go way higher than that, watch my previous video that I did, which is called the Next SMCI Part 2. Let's go over to SoundHound AI. Yes, there was the NVIDIA conference, right? And there was a lot of brand new deals announced with NVIDIA and Microsoft, and I don't even know where else. And the new AI features that NVIDIA has, and so on, AI products. But here's what came out also yesterday, right? And this is going to push the stock even higher, in my opinion. And that is reported earlier SoundHound to offer on-chip voice AI with NVIDIA that delivers in-vehicle generative AI responses with no connectivity required. And SoundHound, guys, was something I did a YouTube video about over 8 months ago, last year in 2023, when it was trading at $3.47. And I had said in that video that this would be a stock to watch, guys, for super high growth in 2024. So it was $3.47. I also called it a buy at $3.18 on the Discord. And SoundHound AI, guys, is now at $8.88. And last week, it even hit 10 bucks. And the third stock I want to talk to you about is ticker symbol GNS. So here's a screenshot of my Discord. So on March 14, 2024, this year, I told them that I would buy GNS at 41 cents. Now GNS, guys, ticker symbol GNS is at 64 cents. It closed yesterday at 64 cents, so we're up big time. Do I believe that it can go higher? I do, but I also have a warning. I am personally not in GNS for the long term, right? This company hasn't proven to me yet much. So I did buy GNS for the short term. If it hits 80 cents, to be honest, I'm probably going to get out, and some people might laugh at me. We'll see. Maybe not. Maybe I'll put a stop loss. We'll see. But yeah, that's that. I wanted to put that out right away so nobody gets confused and thinks that I'm in it for the long term. The news that came out 14 hours ago and 20 hours ago, right, is actually very important. This is the news that came out yesterday, which is pretty much that GNS Group and OpenXO signed merger agreement accelerating plans to build global AI education group. Sounds good, right? That helps the stock go up. GNS Group releases additional details on their FatBrain AI transaction. Also, guys, the CEO of GNS Group last week, I'm showing you a post that he made on the X platform last week. So last week he posted this, which is, guys, basically on the 21st now coming up. There will be the Great AI Debate at Abundance 2024, and Genius Group will take part in that. So for those who are in Genius Group, I believe that the stock can go higher, will go higher. How much higher? I don't know, because it always ends up doing that historically. If you look at it the past 1 year, right, or a little longer than that, it has periods where the stock just goes up on some great news. It explodes, it goes up, and things seem really promising, and then in the end it just crashes. It eventually finds its way back down to the 40 cents. There was one time when it went from 60 cents to $7 within 2 weeks, which was awesome. I don't know if that's going to happen now. If it does, that would be cool. But yeah, so I would just be very careful. I'm not in it for the long term, I'm in it for the short term, but I am bullish on it for the time being. All right, so let's go to the final stock that I want to talk to you about, which is a company that is going public very, very, very soon. I'll show you the dates, I'll show you the prices, I'll show you everything. This is Massimo Group LLC, which has filed for a $25 million US IPO. The company manufactures power sports vehicles and boats in the US. It is a Texas-based company. Management is headed by Chairman and CEO David Chan, who has been with the company since 2009. They offer ATVs, UTVs, boats, and they've received $2 million from investors, including Asia International Securities Exchange Company and the founder. Looking at the total revenue of the company, in 2021 they had $82.5 million, in 2022 $86 million, and for 2023 the first 9 months at $75 million. Gross profit goes from $17 to $22 million and $23 million for 2023, and the gross margin is on an average of about 23%. So this company, guys, is going public on March 22nd. All right, so it's anticipated to go public on March 22nd. Ticker symbol will be MAMO. You can see that right here, MAMO. It is available for pre-order on Webull if you do have Webull as a trading app. The price range will be $4 to $5, so most likely you'll probably get it at $4. And the minimum you have to put down to pre-order is $100 worth of shares. So that's that. Shares to be issued will be 1.3 million. They have $30 million in total liabilities, but their free cash flow is positive $8.8 million. So you can see here total liabilities at 31.7, total debt at 18.1 million. But like I said, the revenue is in the range of $86 million. The net income is also positive $4 million, so that's pretty cool. Valuation score, guys, I'm gonna go neutral for now, but Roth Capital Partners is the underwriter. Do I expect this to pop on day one? I don't know, to be honest. I really don't know. I think it will, but I don't expect a huge pop at all. Is this stock worth $4 a share and be a long-term investment? Because if it was worth being a long-term investment and I believe that it can trade much higher, then it would make sense to pre-order, right? It's kind of hard to tell also because we don't have any forward guidance. They're not publicly traded yet. We don't have, so we don't know. We do have a lot of information when we look at the SEC filing. It is very promising that the revenue is growing. I like them, to be honest, and I would put them on my watch list. But I am still undecided if I'm going to pre-order this or not. But I do like this company. I like it. It seems to me like they got something going. Let me know, guys, what you think about QuickLogic, SoundHound AI, and Genius Group. Is anybody in Genius Group? Is anybody in ticker symbol GNS? What do you, if you are, what is your price target? What do you think the stock is headed within the next 10 days? I wish you guys all the best and take care.